So I'm out in the garage and I'm having a big clean up. We've ordered a load of folding crates so I can get a load of stuff sorted out. And one of the things I found was a box of beer. I'd forgotten about this. This is a no-boil Berliner Weisse. It's done using Michael Tonsmeyer's recipe from the Mad Fermentationist. So it was mash hopped, decoction mashed. So I boiled the grains and not the wort. Used White Labs WLP 630, I think it is, off the top of my head. One of their Berliner Weisse blends. And I was very disappointed with it. After a month, there was no tartness at all to it. 6 months, there was no tartness. So all the bottles of beer got thrown in a box and forgotten about. Moved house, found them, but at the time I was so busy they just got thrown in the car, chucked onto a shelf when we got here, and forgotten about again. So here we go, in the bottle, 26 months now. This was brewed September 16. Now, my guess is still very little tartness to it, but I'm going to crack one open with you and we'll try it. So, good hit. So I'm using an isoglass. These things are very good for judging beer, detecting any faults, things like that. So it looks good. Pale straw, screaming carbonation, good head. And that's where it starts to go wrong. So yeah, I'm really not getting any malt at all. There's a clean tartness, probably lacto, and no hops. Now the style doesn't call for hops, it says there should be no hops, great, thumbs up. It says it should be a light straw, good head, which doesn't last, thumbs up. Well carbonated, thumbs up. Should be some malt aroma, normally a light bready aroma. I'm not getting any. If it's really just barely detectable. Alright, let's try it. So 26 months in glass, there is now some tartness there. Nowhere near enough for the style. Hardly any malt at all. There is a light citrusy type note which is allowable for the style, but the tartness level's just not there. It's a pity because it's a great looking beer, but it's like drinking slightly tart soda water. It's just not got what it needed for the style. So I'm not going to keep hoarding this any longer. I've got about 20 bottles of it. It can go down the drain. So I don't get it right every time. It's strangely refreshing and drinkable as it's supposed to be, just not what it should be. But there you go, I just thought I'd quickly share this bottle find with you and show you that even the experts get it wrong. All the best, catch you soon.